How to play CS2 on Faceit. Now, before you download the client or the Faceit launcher, you'll have to create an account first. So you'll have to pull up any preferred web browser. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, and just let's head over to faceit.com without space. Now you'll just have to choose on the first result right here. This is going to be the Faceit.com that will automatically route you to the Faceit official website. So this is what I'm talking about earlier. Before you download the client, you'll have to click on Join Now. Now this is actually like similar with Steam or any other platforms right there for you to be able to play games. But with this is a form of a software. So before you download it, you'll have to create an account. You could also create an account after downloading the software, but I guess this is the most convenient way. So you'll just have to enter your email address so that you will receive a verification code, and then once you click on continue, you go to your or access your email address and have it ready beside this tab right here, and just fill out these necessary forms right here, like your nickname, first name, last name, password, date of birth, and then the country, and make sure to tick this box right here and click on create an account. Now, once you have successfully created an account with Faceit, you will now then download the Faceit launcher. So just go back to the main page or the main website and then just click on download client. Now, once successfully downloaded the client, run and install it, and then everything is set, you'll just have to choose on CS2 to play CS2 on Faceit, and then you can invite your friends using Faceit to have our competitive game. So that's it. That's how you play CS2 on Faceit.